नजर नजर में लिए।
और हज़रत मसीह अलैहिस्सलाम की ख्वाहिश के मुताबिक हम एक बार फिर अपने नफ्स की इस्लाह और पाकीज़गी और आपस की मोहब्बत और भाईचारे को बढ़ाने के लिए जमा हुए हैं। यही हज़रत मसीह अलैहिस्सलाम का अल्लाह ताला की मंशा के मुताबिक जलसे के इनेकाद का मकसद था। बस इन 3 दिनों में इस मकसद को सामने रखें। हज़रत मसीह अलैहिस्सलाम ने ये फरमाया है कि इसे कोई मामूली जलसा ना समझो। तो ये मकसद तो तभी पूरा हो सकता है जब हम एक गैर मामूली पाक तब्दीली पैदा करने के लिए इस जलसे में शामिल हों और इसके लिए भरपूर कोशिश करें। बस हज़रत मसीह अलैहिस्सलाम के इरशाद और ख्वाहिश को सामने रखते हुए अपने ये 3 दिन गुजारें और फिर उसे ज़िंदगी का हिस्सा बनाएं। अगर हम ये सोच नहीं रखते और इसके लिए कोशिश नहीं करते तो यहाँ आना हमारा फजूल और बेफ़ायदा है।
Welcome to the story of the Jalsa Salana Nigeria, a 70-year journey of faith, perseverance, and community. Let's explore the history of the Ahmadiyya Muslim community's annual convention in Nigeria. The first Jalsa Salana in Nigeria was held in April 1949 at the Ahmadiyya Central Mosque in Lagos Island. The event was attended by 75 delegates comprising 50 males and 25 females, including children. Maulana Nasif Saifi was the first Amir to address the gathering. He was a prolific writer and motivational speaker who became the vice president of the Nigerian Union of Journalists and an Islamic presenter on the National Broadcasting Corporation, NBC. Professor Ismail Balogun was the Jalsa officer coordinating reception, lectures, accommodation, and feeding. By 1966, the young Lajna, ladies, shifted the cooking to the Ahmadiyya Mission House, 45 Idumagbo Avenue, Lagos Island. Alhaja Princess Haditu Idayat Kehinde M. Habibu was in charge. By 1967, under the Imarat of Maulana Alhaji Nasruddin Ahmad, Jalsa Salana venue was moved from the mosque to a rented hall, the St. George Hall, Broad Street, opposite Methodist Boys High School, Lagos Island. The Nigerian head of state, General Yakubu Gowon, was the first Nigerian leader to send a delegation to the Ahmadiyya annual Islamic gathering. He was represented by the Federal Commissioner for Works, Alhaji Femi Okunu. In subsequent gatherings, government officials at both the federal, state, and local governments and traditional institutions have been attending the Ahmadiyya annual gatherings. Late Malam Aminu Kano, Federal Commissioner of Health, late Chief Bisi Onobanjo, late Governor Alhaji Lateef Jakonde, Governor Olusegun Oshoba, late Emir of Bogu, Alhaji Kitoro, late Emir of Kafanchan, were special guests of honor between 1970s and the 1980s. As the population of delegates increased, the need for a spacious venue became imperative. The first movement of the Jalsa Salana annual Islamic conference occurred in 1969 under the leadership of Amir Maulana Fadlullah Anwari. The conference was moved outside the Lagos Island to the mainland of Lagos. The Muslim Teachers College, Vandul Avenue, Surulere, played the host to the event from 1969 to 1980. The choice of the Muslim Teachers College was instructive. It was quite spacious for the large participants across Nigeria, and the Ahmadiyya pioneering role in the education sector was a great advantage. The first principal of the Teachers College was an Ahmadi Muslim, Dr. R.A. Balti. It was on record that the first Muslim primary school, Fazlumar Primary School, Elegbata, Lagos Island, was established in 1932 by the Ahmadiyya Muslim community, along with secondary schools in Agege, Lagos State, Ibadan, Oyo State, Ogbagiakoko, Ondo State, Ayegunlegbede, Kogi State, Kano, Kano State, Umaisha, and Onda, Nasarawa State. By 1981, the unprecedented number of delegates to the Jalsa Salana has increased by manifolds. The Muslim Teachers College, Surulere, has become grossly inadequate for the current needs. The then Amir, Maulana Ajmal Shahid, alias No Problem, longest expatriate Amir, relocated the conference venue to the permanent site and headquarters of the Ahmadiyya Muslim Jamaat of Nigeria at Ojokoro, Kilometer 27, Lagos-Abeokuta Expressway. Ojokoro remained the venue of the Islamic Conference till 1990. The Centenary Celebration Conference of the Ahmadiyya Muslim community globally was held with the presence of the third Khalifa, Hadrat Mirza Nasir Ahmad. May Allah be pleased with him. Late Mashhood Kashimawo Abiola, Alhaji Lihad Tela, and Femi Abbas visited him, with the Concord newspaper's senior journalist, Hadrat Tahir Ahmad, visited the then head of state, General Ibrahim Bangida, at the State House, Rodan Barracks. After the centenary Jalsa Salana in Ojokoro, a new Amir, late Maulana Abdul Rashid Agbola, appointed by the fourth Khalifa, moved the Islamic Conference to Ilaro, the present site along Ilaro-Owode Road. The leadership of Engineer Hussein Sumonu, late Alhaj Mahmoud Meishanu, Professor Mashhood Fashola, and Barrister Alatoye Folonsho Abdulaziz presided over Jalsa Salana from 1990 till date. For 2 years, the annual Islamic Conference was taken to Abuja for the 2008 and 2009. It was held at Hadiqatu Ahmed, Kilometer 27, Abuja Kefi Expressway. Other Khalifatul Masih V, Hadrat Mirza Masroor Ahmad, may Allah be his helper, was at the 2008 Abuja gathering. Former Nigerian President Chief Olusegun Obasanjo was at the Ahmadiyya Muslim Jamaat of Nigeria's centenary annual Jalsa Salana in 2016. He appreciated the contributions of the Ahmadiyya Muslim community in Nigeria and globally in his keynote address. Other dignitaries who have attended the conference are the Vice President, Professor Yemi Osinbajo, Governor Segun Oshoba, Governor Rauf Aregbesola, and Governor Dapo Abiodun. Islamic scholars too had the opportunity to participate in the Ahmadiyya Islamic gatherings over the years. Ahead of this year's gathering, the Amir, Barrister Alatoye, embarked on courtesy visits to prominent Islamic scholars and traditional rulers across the country, inviting them to come and share in the grace of Allah. I visited Sheikh Muhyiddin Ajani Bello, Sheikh Zakaria in Ibadan, and the Angel of Anka Kingdom in Abuja, His Royal Highness Dr. Abu Bakr Yakubu. At this year's 70th Jalsa Salana, we have the cause to thank Almighty Allah for His grace and look forward to welcoming you all. Join us as we celebrate the 70 years of Jalsa Salana in Nigeria, a testament to the enduring spirit of the Ahmadiyya Muslim community in Nigeria.